Hi! Welcome to Kuya Will's Tatlong Tanong, Tatlong Sagot, your daily guide to enhance your memory and improve your knowledge. Number 1 question. What is the largest animal in the world? The correct answer is blue whale. Number 2. What is the tallest mountain in the world? The answer is Mount Everest. Number 3. What is the largest country by land area? The correct answer is Russia. See you tomorrow again para sa tatlong tanong, tatlong sagot. Ito si Kuya Will na nagsasabing magbasa ka araw-araw dahil magagamit mo to balang araw. See you!